Have you ever wondered if we are alone in the universe? Or if somewhere out there, light years away, there are other planets with conditions suitable for life as we know it? It's a question that has fascinated scientists, philosophers, and dreamers alike for centuries. Scientists have been using a method known as the transit method to discover thousands of planets outside our solar system. This method detects slight dips in stellar brightness as planets pass in front of their host star. Remarkably, researchers have identified over 1,700 star systems within 300 light-years of Earth that have been in a position to observe Earth transiting in front of the Sun over the past 5,000 years. Among these, they have highlighted 29 potentially habitable worlds that could have seen Earth's transit and detected radio waves from our planet. These promising star systems include the TRAPPIST-1 system, Ross 128, and Teegarden's star. It's an intriguing thought, isn't it? That our biological and technological footprints are potentially exposed to any extraterrestrial beings capable of searching for them. Moving on, a recent report in the journal Astronomy and Astrophysics reveals the discovery of two Earth-mass exoplanets orbiting the red dwarf star Gliese 1002. These planets are located in the star's habitable zone and are only 16 light-years away from Earth. However, the planet's proximity to a potentially flaring star poses a challenge. Despite this, the future Andes spectrograph for the extremely large telescope could be used to characterize the atmosphere of one of the planets, GJ 1002c, and possibly detect signs of life, such as the presence of methane or oxygen in their atmospheres. A unique solar system has been located about 100 light-years away, with 6 planets all about the same size. These planets have barely changed since their formation up to 12 billion years ago, and these stable conditions make it ideal for learning how worlds were formed and whether they host life. This solar system, free from the violent collisions that created the hodgepodge of different-sized planets in our own system, offers a calm and harmonious environment. This makes it easier to study their atmospheres for signs of life. In conclusion, it's an exciting time in the world of astronomy. With thousands of solar systems discovered in the past 30 years, each one offers a unique opportunity to study and understand the formation of planets. Among them, the newly discovered perfect solar system, with its bright star and harmonious configuration, offers an unprecedented opportunity to learn more about these faraway planets, their composition, evolution, and the tantalizing possibility of life. The quest for understanding our place in the universe continues.